Welcome back to another episode of The Wandering Beard, and today we're in Samoa. The ship dropped us off at a town called Apia. Hired a gentleman to drive us around, drink some beers, and now we're at this cool little resort. Just hanging out, having a good time. Probably gonna head back to the ship pretty soon, but it's been a fun little day. We made it back to the ship. Our driver was Ali. He's a cool dude. If you're ever in Samoa, look up that place. Yeah, we had fun. We are on our way to Fiji. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below anything you liked about these videos. Thanks. Bye.